Hello everybody. Hello tweens. I am going to show you our craft for today, but first, because I was challenged by my daughter, I'm going to wear this turkey hat because why not? Okay, there you go. There you go. Okay, so that's going to be very distracting, isn't it? Okay, I was challenged, I accepted, I win. Anyway, okay, so we're going to be making this banner, and it's a leaf banner, and it's going to be an awesome decoration for your fall decorations, for your fall decor. Okay, so in your kit, you are going to have some leaves. You can use as many or as little as you want because you make your banner as long or as short as you want. If you want to draw leaves and paint your own, go ahead. You can add to this, you can do them differently, whatever you want. I already cut some out here. Now, I didn't cut, see if you notice, I kind of left an edge on it. Totally up to you. I just found it easier to cut the edge like this, but if you want to make it, you know, cut the actual leaf, go for it. So everybody can do what they would like. Okay, this hat is slipping. Okay, so you also have some twine because, well, you want to hang your banner on something. Then you're going to have some book pages, and let me tell you, it hurt very much to pull these book pages out. So we're going to use them and love them because, just because. Okay. So we're going to take our book pages. There's a few here. You're probably going to have more than this because I'm not making a full one. I'm just kind of showing you how to do this. You want to make the bottom of this look like a banner. So if you kind of see this, see how it's cut here, right here? Yeah, we're going to do that on our book pages, okay? You can trace on something if you'd like. I'm just going to free cut. Okay, so there we go. Banners. Not very even, is it? That's okay, though. That is okay. I like it anyway. All right, some of your pages may look like this. No problem. You just may want to turn it around and use this side. Okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn it around and use that side. So I'm going to take one of my leaves and I'm going to glue it onto this book page paper. And you can, again, glue it. So these are pretty straight. I'll probably do them straight too. Okay? Sure. Okay? So I just glued it right on there. That should be okay. The only thing I was thinking is you just want to make sure, because you're going to be folding this down, so you don't want to put it too high up. But I think mine looks good. Okay, I'm just going to glue a couple more on, make sure I'm using the right side of the paper. And really, if you don't mind half pages, that's fine too. You could do it however you want. This is your craft, so you can, like I said, if you want to draw your own leaves or anything like that, you go for it. I myself don't draw very well. I mean, I do great stick figures, but I'm not sure I could draw a leaf really well, so I'm just going to use these cutout ones. All right, so I have 4 done. I think that's enough for now. All right. So now I'm just going to show you. So I have 4 book page leaves. We can close up our glue. Now I'm going to use a stapler. If you don't have a stapler, it's totally fine. I'm sure you could use this. I'm just going to use the stapler though. Now the directions actually say to fold this down just a little bit on the top. And then staple it and then run your string through it. I am going to put it on the string and fold it over the string because I'm not really wanting to try and string it through, if that makes sense to you. Okay, so I have it through there. Oh, there we go. I'm not stapling on the string, I'm stapling just the paper. So the string is still kind of through it, but I'm not actually threading it. See? And there you go. See, I can move this because it's not stapled onto the string. So that's really it, guys. I am going to just do a few more. Like I said, you can make it as long or as short as you want. If you want to make sure that these are the same length, you may want to draw a line, which I did not do, but I'm not super worried about it because I like things. I'm not sure, maybe abstract, I guess would be maybe the word. I don't mind that they don't fully match up, because I think it kind of makes it more unique. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, and two more, and I'm just going to do them because, well, I already glued the leaves on, so I may as well add them to our thing here. Okay. All right, and these are going to make awesome. There we go. The string tried to get into the stapler, and then I would have been in trouble because the stapler would have been, or the string would have been stapled to the leaf. This hat is a little big, it keeps falling. That's okay. I still wore it, and that's all that matters, right? Okay, so like I said, I'm just doing 4. You guys can do however many you'd like. I think I only gave you, well, I shouldn't say only, because I don't make a long banner anyway. I gave you enough for 12. Yes, in each kit there will be enough for 12 leaves. All right, you ready? And there you go. Oh, that's so pretty. I like this. This is gonna look so awesome as decorations for fall, because fall is about falling leaves, changing colors, right? You guys have fun doing this. Easy cleanup, everybody. Easy cleanup. You gotta throw away your scraps, and that's about it. I mean, put your stuff away. That's it. You guys have fun making your fall leaf banner. I love these. They're so cute. Guys, happy Thanksgiving.